966 days still in New Holland. Crypto fear and greed index is at 53%, which is neutral. And Bitcoin is currently trading at 48.2k, which is above 250 MA on a 4-hour time frame, and on a daily, same on a daily pretty much. Current resistance would be for us, it's obviously 50k, and support 46.8k. We had a golden cross 2 days ago, which is pretty nice. MACD is finishing the red face on a daily time frame, which is pretty positive. Probably I'm not gonna look at the 4-hour time frame because again, I feel like RSI and MACD is too lagging indicator on a 4-hour time frame and too short term. So we're gonna use like a daily for this MACD RSI. RSI is neutral on a daily. Weekly time frame is looking obviously better than on a previous candle, but still we are kind of finishing the MACD green face, and plus these phases, you can see how small it is, which is not that significant. RSI is slightly overbought on a weekly time frame. What other indicators we got? BTC, Fibonacci, what is this? Fibonacci retracement. Jesus, I forgot how this thing called. Fibonacci, it's nothing significant on Fibonacci. Pretty big resistance would be at 41.2k. And on a pitchfork, we are currently bouncing from a middle line of a pitchfork, long-termish pitchfork, obviously. Currently at the middle of yellow zone on a pitchfork, which is again pretty significant if you're gonna look at. Again, all these thicker lines would be a long-termish pitchfork, and much smaller lines would be a short-termish pitchfork. So currently we are bouncing from 48.5k, which is again middle of a long-term pitchfork on a 4-hour time frame. So yep, that's pretty much all TA for today. Other altcoins like BNB is kind of pumping. Ethereum is definitely going higher than the kind of outperforming BTC right now, which is pretty nice. And Cardano is kind of delayed and lagging compared to the even BNB. BTC dominance kind of flat, 41.1%. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA for the day. Let's move on to the news that we don't have a lot, but there's some pretty interesting one. And again, not a lot of thought today, only positive news. And news from Interactive Brokers. They are launching crypto trading for the customers through the Paxos. And again, Interactive Brokers is one of the largest online brokerage firms, and they announced today it is offering crypto trading services in alliance with Paxos. I'm actually the customer of this brokerage firm, and I'm using Interactive Broker IB for the stocks, mainly for the stocks. But right now, probably you can literally you can trade anything: stocks, bonds, commodities, FX, and now crypto even. Like literally anything. Options, whatever. Coinbase applies to trade crypto futures. So, top US crypto exchange Coinbase has submitted an application to become a registered FCM, which is Futures Commission Merchant, with the National Future Association (FCA). So, again, if Coinbase get approved from National Future Association, it will then need to register with a Commodity Futures Trading Commission to get the green light. So they got pretty long roads to get approved, but it's still some positive news for them from Coinbase and from US customers and investors. Skybridge raises $100 million for Algorand fund and files for crypto company ETF. So that's pretty nice. Also, we got some another positive news, which is less criminals in the crypto, the less FUD we're gonna have in the long term. So Aussie crypto fund manager sentenced for 7 years for stealing 54 million dollars from investors. So at September 15, statement from US Department of Justice announced that US District Judge handed Keane, that's his name, a 90-month sentence for defrauding his investors out of $54 million. So again, less criminals, less FUD in the long term. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA and news for today. Everything looks nice, everything looks bullish, which is very nice. That's what we love to see. Again, 50k, that's a current pretty significant resistance, and based on the pitchfork, we are currently at the resistance 48.5k, bouncing from this resistance. We got like a 4 touches on a 4-hour candle, but currently testing this resistance again. Maybe we're gonna have a heave. Maybe we're gonna have a breakout, which would be pretty nice. But again, everything looks pretty nice. So yeah, to the moon.